So here we are, another day of pride, pomp and polarisation as two tribes representing London and Manchester collide. Arsenal and Manchester United, of course, undoubtedly two of the most illustrious clubs in the English game, recent history perhaps notwithstanding. Whatever the stakes though, these matches are never dull, so strap in. Well, colour and passion just oozing from the stands here. These fans love their football, and we're about to be dished up a feast of it. Genuinely a heavyweight contest, North against South, London against Manchester. It is tribal.
You can always count on there being something dramatic happening when these two come together. But there've been a fair share of grinds too. I'm expecting both sides to try and maximise their attacking threat, because when you look back over the years, the potency has been the big...
And Shevchenko! Missed by a fraction. Oh, it's come loose. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, this guy, Gabriel Martinelli, is someone whose game has come on in leaps and bounds since being plucked from relative obscurity, Peter. He's one of the best dribblers in the top flight, and I always say about wingers that...
Chance! It looks as though the ref has given a penalty. He has. Manchester United present their opponents with the best possible chance here. Oh, it's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking.
Well, you either commit a foul and take one for the team, or just stand by and concede a potential goal. It's not a great choice, Peter, but I think I do the former in that position.
He scores for sure! Not much more than a formality.
Well, I'm not sure what body language the keeper was trying to read, but it didn't work.
After 13 minutes is number 8, Martin Odegaard. Martin Odegaard. Martin Odegaard.
Manchester United finding themselves unexpectedly behind. Van Dijk. Now it's Shevchenko, little pass back. Looking tidy in possession here. Shevchenko! Brilliant from Shevchenko! A finish right from the top draw. That is remarkable, all square in a matter of moments.
Yeah, and analysis of the goal should take a back seat to the importance of a committed reaction. This is wonderful to watch.
He just absolutely speared that in.
Yeah, you just don't save those, Peter. Too much power on, and the manager's absolutely loving this.
Manchester United restore parity.
Such a big goal, Peter. Just when the opposition thought they could turn the screw, they're back to square one again. The manager will be absolutely delighted.
Shot a goal! Denied by an instinctive save.
Shevchenko really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Manchester United with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. This looks promising. Chance to shoot! Oh, it's fallen loose again! Goal! Manchester United! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
That has been drummed into him from such an early age, Peter. It almost came as second nature. He susses the keeper, couldn't hold on to it, and he's there in a flash.
Manchester United have their lead.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Ødegaard has assisted more league goals than anyone else this season. Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair. He's got away. Flashes it across. Firm header just off target.
That's a really decent chance.
Corner number 2 then. Oh, good effort! Firm header just off target.
He did so well there, it's just a shame about the accuracy.
Calafiori. Oh, he's been flattened there. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Incapuyi. Norgard. Rice does really well there, strong defending.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
And smartly reclaimed. Doué. Manchester United looking forward to the break after some very good work in the first 45 minutes. Nedved. Driving forward. It's Nedved! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Zubimendi. He's picked his way through. Lewis Skelly.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
And it's Rice. Rice stood his ground. Rice! He is desperate to get on the score sheet, but not this time.
Well, the breakthrough hasn't come yet, Peter, but you do feel they're upping the ante here. They'll get their reward if they can stick at this.
Lewis Skelly. And we've reached half-time. Well, we have quite a thrilling narrative here, despite their early... So the action resumes. Oh, that's really good play on the right. He's driving forward.
Manchester United clearly are trying to mix things up here, keeping their opponents guessing.
Well, the boss won't be happy about that at all. They were pedestrian in possession and carried almost no threat at all. Incapuyi. Norgard. Distributed tidily. Madueke. And Norgard. Zubimendi. Now it's Madueke. Now this could be a chance. And the finish! Goal! It's level again! What a match we have!
I could watch this every week, Peter. Talk about strength of character, wonderful.
Simplicity itself.
Way too good, Peter. Too quick, too smart for that defence, who were made to look a little lost, in all honesty.
Quite a game this, all square again.
Well, I'd happily watch this every week, Peter. This is exactly what you want from a big game.
Zubimendi, Luis Skelly, now it's Gabriel Jesus. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Shevchenko, looking to shake off some unwanted attention.
Well, to be fair to that defence, it's nigh on impossible to cater for such astute movement, but at least, eventually, they've made the right call.
Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. He was under real pressure there. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Well, it played right into his path. And that was very necessary.
Arsenal really can't be faulted for their attitude, and if they go on to win this, it'll be fully...
Header! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
Doué providing an outlet on that flank. Cross deflected behind for a corner.
Substitution for Arsenal. Number 16.
Corner number 3 coming up.
Coming on to replace him is number 41, Rice.
Tries to get it clear. Arsenal are looking to go forward now. And it's Hato. He'll try from distance. And it's hit the woodwork and out.
Substitution for Arsenal. Number 9, Gabriel
Arsenal
Jesus.
making further changes
11,
here and
Gabriel
in quick
Martinelli.
succession.
Coming on the field.
Still anyone's
Number
game this.
13,
One moment can decide it.
Well, a goal either way at this stage would qualify as a steal.
Ødegaard looking to add to his goal. Doué. Kovacic. And it's Nedved. That's a good ball out wide. Nedved.
There will be 3 minutes.
He's having a
added time.
shot! Oh, it's fallen kindly here. Oh, that could be pivotal. So is that it? Is this the moment they stole it? Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Such good movement. Some players have that natural ability to be in the right place at the right time. We've just seen the perfect example.
Manchester United now on the verge of victory, save for a few potentially hectic final moments.
Well, these last few moments are going to be pretty frantic.
And that's that. Manchester United have signed off in the perfect manner, a win on the final day. The end of the game. Reflections?
Well, we're effectively seeing the culmination of all the work you put in for a whole campaign. I really appreciate the fact that both sides, despite the end-of-term feeling, went at each other as if it were day one, and in my mind, it was the right result.